This is the model that they have added to the Upscale software. Want it like this? Later, we will place the design model here, or you can click on the custom models repository. Or you can also do a search on Google. You can click download this repository. You can copy and paste manually where the Upscale software is installed. Put in models folder. Or you can extract WinRAR and just select the folder via the Upscale software. If it doesn't appear, please close it first and then reopen the Upscale software.